If you are unable to verify your phone number or see the error, this phone number cannot be used at this time when trying to set up or update your Apple ID. It can usually be resolved with a few steps, and here is how to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, double check the phone number you are entering. Ensure it is the correct international format. Example +1 for the US, +91 for India. Now, once done so, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Now, once inside the General, simply scroll down and tap on the Language and Reason option available there. Once you tap on the Language and Reason, simply tap on the Add Language option available there and look for the language you use on your current living. Then your phone will restart and you will have to enter your phone number again, or simply try verifying your phone number again. If this does not fix the issue, then go back to the Settings General again. Once you go back there, scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone available there and tap on Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.